Unbox the Virginia Moon 4-in-1 magnetic bracelet from Magnetic Mobility. 4-in-1 magnetic bracelet is ideal for people with arthritis, back pain, migraine, fibromyalgia, menopause symptoms, recovery after surgery and more. Each bracelet comes with care instructions and an information leaflet. Inside the box, the bracelet is laid out beautifully. The Virginia Moon is a stainless steel 4-in-1 magnetic bracelet. So on the back of the bracelet, we have 4 different elements hidden away. We've got the magnets, the FIR elements, germanium and negative ions, all hidden in the back of the bracelet. To open the bracelet, simply pop the catch, give it a good bit of pressure because we like to make them secure, hook it in and make sure you hear it close. To open it, pop the catch again. To put it on you, simply drape it over your wrist with the catch open and hanging downwards. Then you can hook it in very easily. Pull up the clasp and close it with a click. Make sure that you hear it click to ensure that it's secure. So that is the Virginia Moon 4-in-1 magnetic bracelet. The bracelet comes in a variety of sizes on our website. Simply choose the size that suits you. However, if you're buying it as a gift, you can choose the gift size option. And the gift size option comes with a sizing tool. Simply scan the QR code with your phone and it will show you a video of how to take the links out on our website. This makes it ideal for people buying it as gifts because you can make it shorter if needed. The bracelet comes with beautiful eco-friendly gift packaging. However, if you'd like to make your gift even more eco-friendly, you can choose the no jewellery box option, in which case your bracelet will come in a satin bag and less packaging. All of this is available from magneticmobility.ie.